Okay, part 3 here, we're going to remove the lower half of the intake. However, there's dust, dirt, leaves, just, all kinds of nastiness that I really just don't want down in the engine. So, I've taken a towel, shoved it in each one of the intake ports, and all, pretty covered up here. So I'm going to take the air hose, blow off the engine. Probably the last opportunity to get to do this. There, now that that's done, it's a rather big improvement. Take our towel out. Kind of oily. Bunch of oil down in there. Alright, so take this part off. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the one bolt here. And then all the way in the back. Oh, see the other bolt? Right here. And take that out. And put that on our little chart over here. Make sure we got them all taped off. I gotta tape these guys on here yet. Get them marked. Throw that guy right there. Okay. So, let me take off those two bolts and see where that gets us next. Okay, I got those two bolts out of the lower portion of the intake. Before I remove the intake though, I'm going to take the pressure off the fuel line, just in case. So, cover your eyes, watch your eyes, push this little button in here with a small screwdriver, a pick, something. Just push it down a little bit. You'll see the gas come up. There. Good enough. Pressure's off the system. We'll put the cap back on. Now, I think I can get away with just lifting the whole assembly right out with the electronics and the fuel rail all still attached. We'll just lift it straight up, the whole unit. Look at that. Boom, boom. That is up and out of the way. This is what my intake looks like on the other side. Definitely gonna have to clean that up. That's kind of nasty. Let's see what it looks like down inside each cylinder. Well, that looks pretty good. Visibly pretty good. Same there. So, I don't think we screwed anything up. The engine so far. I mean, it did run. Came in the garage. That's all 12 of them. Okay. Alright, so that's what we got to take out the lower half of the intake. That wasn't too bad. Okay. Time for a break and figure out where to go next.